Ever wonder why your fingers are always cold, even when it's not freezing outside? It might be more than just a quirk. It could be your body sending out an SOS. Poor circulation can quietly sabotage your well-being over time. We're talking about your body's internal highway system, circulation, that delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Let's decode what your body might be trying to tell you, and what you can actually do about it. Your body's smart. It protects your core first. That means when temperatures drop, your internal organs get top priority. Your heart, lungs, and brain are essential for survival, so your body works hard to keep them warm and functioning. To do that, it redirects blood flow away from less critical areas like your fingers, toes, ears, and nose. So when circulation slows, your hands and feet are the first to feel the chill. They're farthest from your heart, and they lose heat quickly. That's why, even in mildly cold weather, your extremities can feel icy while your core still feels fine. Think of your blood vessels like highways. When traffic flows smoothly, everything gets where it needs to go. But when there's a jam, the outer roads, your extremities, get cut off first. When traffic backs up, due to inactivity, dehydration, or poor habits, your extremities suffer. These factors reduce blood flow, making it harder for warm, oxygen-rich blood to reach your fingers and toes. That constant need for gloves. It's not just about the weather. It could be your body's way of telling you something's off. It might be your body waving a red flag. Persistent cold hands or feet can be an early warning sign of poor circulation, or even underlying health issues like anemia, thyroid problems, or Raynaud's disease. A little chill might seem harmless, but if it's constant, it's worth paying attention to. Your body is always communicating, sometimes in subtle ways. It can be an early sign of sluggish circulation. Catch it early, and you can take simple steps to improve it, like moving more, staying hydrated, and eating better. These small changes can make a big difference. Over time, they help your blood flow more efficiently, keeping your whole body, especially your extremities, warm and healthy. Let's give your circulation the attention it deserves, because when your blood flows better, you feel better, from head to toe. That pins and needles feeling? It's not just annoying, it's your body trying to get your attention. It happens when blood flow to your nerves gets cut off, even briefly. If it's happening often, and not just from sitting too long, it could be a sign of chronic poor circulation. Left unchecked, it can lead to nerve damage. Don't just brush it off. Improve your circulation and you can ease these uncomfortable sensations for good. Swelling in your lower legs or feet by the end of the day? It might seem harmless, just a bit of puffiness after a long day. But your body could be sending you an important message. This kind of swelling, also known as peripheral edema, is often more than just a cosmetic issue. That's not just gravity, it could be poor circulation. When your blood isn't flowing efficiently, fluid can leak into surrounding tissues, especially in your lower extremities. Elevating your legs or doing light stretches can help, but it's important to understand the root cause. When blood struggles to return from your legs to your heart, it can pool in the veins. This leads to fluid buildup, causing that uncomfortable puffiness and tightness you might feel in your shoes or socks. Especially if you sit or stand for long periods, like at a desk job, in retail, or during long commutes, your veins are under constant pressure. This can weaken the vein walls and valves over time, making it harder for blood to flow upward. Occasional swelling might be normal, especially after a long day, but if it becomes persistent, or if it's accompanied by pain, redness, or skin discoloration, it could be a sign of something more serious, like a circulatory issue, or even a blood clot. One common cause is venous insufficiency, when the valves in your veins don't close properly, allowing blood to flow backward and pool. Over time, this can lead to chronic swelling, skin changes, and even ulcers if left untreated. So don't ignore what your legs are trying to tell you. Pay attention to the signs, take preventive steps like staying active, wearing compression socks, and elevating your legs. And if swelling persists, talk to your doctor. Your legs carry you through life. Take care of them. Varicose veins might look like a cosmetic issue, but they're often a sign of deeper trouble. When vein valves weaken, blood pools and veins bulge. This can lead to aching, heaviness, and swelling in your legs. Millions deal with varicose veins, but that doesn't mean they're harmless. Talk to your doctor if you notice them. It's not just about looks, it's about your circulatory health. Always tired, even after a full night's sleep? Poor circulation might be draining your energy. Your cells need oxygen and nutrients to function, and that all comes from healthy blood flow. Without it, your body runs like a car on empty. Fatigue can have many causes, but don't overlook circulation. Boosting blood flow can naturally restore your energy. Let's explore how to get your vitality back. Slow healing after a cut or injury? Poor circulation could be the reason. Blood delivers oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells to repair tissue. When circulation lags, healing slows, and infection risk rises. It's like trying to rebuild with half the materials. If wounds linger or infections recur, talk to your doctor. Better circulation means faster, stronger recovery. Struggling with brain fog or forgetfulness? It might not just be stress, it could be poor circulation. Your brain needs a steady stream of oxygen-rich blood to stay sharp. When that flow drops, your mental clarity can too. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. It needs constant fuel. If fog and focus issues are frequent, circulation might be the missing link. Don't ignore what your brain is trying to tell you. Erectile dysfunction isn't just about hormones or stress, though those can certainly play a role. What many people don't realize is that ED can actually be one of the earliest signs of something much deeper: poor circulation and underlying vascular issues. The blood vessels responsible for sexual function are incredibly small and delicate. That means they're often the first to show signs of trouble when blood flow is restricted. Blood flow is key to sexual function, and when circulation is compromised, it can affect performance long before other symptoms of heart disease appear. Plaque buildup, arterial stiffness, and high blood pressure can all reduce blood flow to the penis, making ED a potential red flag for cardiovascular problems. In fact, studies have shown that men with ED are more likely to develop heart disease within the next few years. That makes it a symptom worth paying attention to, not just for your sexual health, but for your overall well-being. If you're experiencing it, don't just tough it out or assume it's a normal part of aging. Talk to your doctor. A simple checkup could reveal important information about your heart and vascular system. It could be your body's way of flagging a bigger problem, one that's easier to manage when caught early. The good news? Addressing circulation through lifestyle changes, medication, or medical intervention can improve more than just your love life. It can boost your energy, protect your heart, and enhance your quality of life overall. Bluish fingers, pale toes, or discolored lips. That could be cyanosis, a sign of poor circulation. When oxygen-rich blood doesn't reach your skin, color changes happen. It's not just cosmetic, it's a warning. Sudden or persistent changes in skin tone should never be ignored. Your skin might be showing you what's happening beneath the surface. Hair thinning or brittle nails. It might not just be stress or aging. Poor circulation can starve your hair follicles and nail beds of nutrients. Think of them like gardens. They need nourishment to thrive. If they're withering, your blood flow might be to blame. Improve circulation, and you might just see healthier hair and stronger nails. Your body is always talking, it's up to you to listen. Cold hands, tingling, fatigue, these aren't just random annoyances, they're messages from your body asking for help. The good news? Many solutions are simple and natural. Move more, eat well, breathe deeper. Your body wants to flow, so let's help it do just that.